Hi, I'm Kelly Springer, registered dietitian and spokesperson for Apples from New York. And today we have these amazing Fuji apples. What are we gonna make?
We're gonna make an apple saute to go along with our brisket recipe, although we subbed out the brisket and you'll see what we used after this.
It's gonna be so much fun. So we're going to mix in the onions with the apples, right?
Yep, we're gonna put the onions with the apples in a pan with some butter on medium-high heat, get them just tender. Then we're gonna add in all of our other ingredients until it gets thickened up and it's nice kind of sauce over the steaks.
It's gonna be really delicious.
Really good.
And Fujis are really sweet, so I love the different varieties of apples. There's so many different varieties, but this is one of the sweetest.
I had no idea.
I know, isn't that really fun?
That's awesome.
So you can go from really tart to really sweet. So different recipes are going to call for that different sweetness or tartness. So for this recipe, it's going to be perfect to use the Fujis.
And I just thought that was a mountain in Japan. I had no idea. So
let's get it going.
Yeah, we got, I think, about 5 cups sliced up here.
Okay.
We've got another cup of juice or cider of your choosing. We weren't able to find any fresh cranberries right now, but we have some dried cranberries. That'll be fine. Walnuts. And then we're going to throw in some salt and pepper, minced garlic, a little bit of brown sugar, and that's all there is to it.
So I'm going to get a little dorky on you and go into some science. So with these walnuts, we actually have the good fat in here. And also when you add this fat to the apples, the fat in the walnuts helps the uptake of the vitamin E and vitamin K in the apples.
I totally understood all of that.
So vitamin E and vitamin K are fat-soluble vitamins, so you need fat to help absorb those vitamins.
Awesome.
See how this comes together?
I feel like I should be absorbing all those vitamins pretty well lately.
So that's why we like pairing all of these different foods together, because we get these synergistic effects.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Synergistic effects, just like what we're doing with our collaboration here. It's all about synergy. I feel like I'm in a marketing meeting right now.
I love when the cook's with the dietitian. This is the best combination.
The cook, yeah, very loosely titled The Cook. All right, let's get this going in the pan and we'll come back to the rest.
Perfect.
Right? Cool. So for this recipe, it actually calls for a brisket normally, but we're actually subbing it out for cube steaks today. And the reason we're doing that is because it's very easy to find, very affordable, and it's gonna cook super fast. Like, who has the time to make a brisket all the time?
So much easier, and it's also coming from the round, and they tenderize it, so that tenderization is going to really taste great too.
Who's the beef person here? She's coming with all the knowledge.
Well, we have amazing nutrition with getting some protein, all of your amino acids, all 9 in our beef.
I love that. Let's get them on the pan.
Let's get it.
All right. Alright guys, so we just finished our beef brisket with savory sauteed apples, but we actually subbed out the brisket for a cube steak because it's a little bit easier to find, definitely very affordable, and it cooked up super fast. And what kind of apples did we use again?
Fuji. I actually can't wait to eat this because we are starving.
Yeah, and it smells so good.
It smells so good. So you're gonna get the sweet and the savory. It's delicious. This combination of nutrients together is going to fill you up, keep you full, and you're gonna be satisfied.
Let's dig in.